Troubleshooting an LG phone with a slow connection.
Items along a timeline read, Intro, check signal bars, mobile data usage, airplane mode, close active apps, network settings reset, remove phone case, software update, and more info.
If your LG phone's mobile data is working slow or not working, there are several troubleshooting steps you can take to resolve the issue.
A browser window on the phone displays a dinosaur and reads, "No internet." Chrome will let you know when this page is ready.
Start by checking the signal bars at the top of the screen. They indicate the relative strength of the signal your phone is getting from the cell phone tower it is connected to. You should be seeing at least 2 bars. If not, the signal is too low for reliable data speed.
A red circle surrounds the signal bars in the upper right of the screen.
In this case, try using the phone in a different location. Next, check your phone's mobile data manager to see if there is a set limit for mobile data usage. To do this, tap Settings, then click Network and Internet, and go to Data Usage. Toggle on the Limit Mobile Data Usage option and tap OK.
A red circle highlights the Settings button from the home screen, then a blue button with a Wi-Fi symbol that reads, Network and Internet. It highlights the Data Usage button at the top of the second submenu, then the toggle switch for Limit Mobile Data Usage, which turns on.
If limited mobile data usage is not the issue, press and hold the power button until the power options appear on the screen. Click to power off, and then turn the phone back on.
A red arrow points to the power button on the right side of the phone. A red circle surrounds the power off button at the top, above the power off and restart button. Turning back on, the phone displays the LG logo.
Another step is to turn airplane mode on and off. Tap Settings, then click Network and Internet. You will see the option for airplane mode. Toggle it on and then off.
A red circle highlights the Settings button on the home screen, then the Network and Internet button. At the top of the screen, the airplane mode button toggles on and off.
Try closing some active apps. Having too many apps running can use heavy mobile data in the background, slowing the data connection. Press the square button to the right of the home button. This will open the overview screen, which shows all your running apps. To close an app, swipe up on the app's preview.
A red circle surrounds a square on the bottom right of the touchscreen. Open apps are displayed. They swipe upwards, off the screen.
If the data connection is still slow, the network settings may need to be reset. Note that doing so will reset all the network settings for Wi-Fi, mobile data, and Bluetooth. It will not delete any of your apps or personal data, but it will erase saved Wi-Fi passwords and Bluetooth connections. To reset the network settings, tap Settings. Tap System, and select Restart and Reset. Then select Network Settings Reset. Click the Reset Settings button at the lower part of the screen. Click Reset Settings again. A quick notification on the screen will confirm if the network settings reset is successful.
A red circle highlights the Settings button on the home screen. The menu scrolls downward and the circle highlights the System button. A circle surrounds the Restart and Reset button near the middle of the screen. It highlights the Network Settings Reset option near the top of the screen, then the Reset Settings button in blue text that appears at the bottom. A notification reads, Network settings have been reset.
If the phone is still lagging, try removing your phone case. Some phone cases may cause signal loss if the case design blocks the internal cell antenna.
A person removes a purple case from their phone. A phone screen displays an antenna symbol emitting red waves.
Also, metal cases more effectively block radio waves, and therefore may degrade the signal quality.
The antenna symbol emits 2 waves rather than the 5 from before.
If doing this resolves the issue, use a different phone case.
A woman smiles at a phone case box in a store.
Lastly, be sure to check for carrier updates to keep your phone system current. Tap Settings. Go to System and select System Updates. Then select Update LG Software. If there are available updates, accept them and wait for them to complete.
A red circle highlights the Settings button, which has a red notification dot. It highlights the System button, then System Updates at the top of the menu. The circle surrounds the third option in the menu, Update LG Software. The button, Check Now for Update highlights. A dialog window reads, Software Update. Checking for available update. Please wait. It then reads, "You are using the latest software version for current OS."
If all these troubleshooting steps fail, you need to contact your service provider, as this could be an issue with their carrier. For further assistance, you can easily find our contact information on the LG.com website. Go to the support menu to ask us more questions.
Text, "For further assistance, you can easily find our contact information on the LG.com website. Go to the support menu to ask us more questions." LG.com/US/support. Icons for Twitter, Facebook, messaging, email, and phone are displayed. This video is provided solely for informational and instructional purposes. This video is not intended to replace the product's owner's manual. For complete information on product use, setup, or assembly, you should consult the owner's manual and any other documents provided with the product. The information contained in this video may contain inaccuracies or typographic errors and is subject to change without notice. LG is not responsible for any direct or indirect damages or injuries that might occur while you are using or relying upon the information provided in this video. Depending upon its model, your product may differ in appearance from the product shown in the video. Also note that for instructional purposes, the video may depict the device operating faster than in reality. For any further questions concerning your product, please contact LG.com or LG Customer Information Center. This video shall not be copied, distributed, or reproduced, in whole or in part, without the prior written authorization of LG Electronics. Copyright 2022 LG Electronics. All rights reserved. LG is a trademark of LG Electronics Company, Limited. Any other company names, product names and marks are the property of their respective owners.